Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the MACD dashboard for MT4. This custom tool aggregates and displays MACD values for multiple time frames and currency pairs in a single easy-to-read interface, allowing traders to monitor various pairs and time frames simultaneously with real-time updates. In this video you'll see how the indicator works, what features it offers, and which trading strategies are utilized. The MACD dashboard consolidates MACD values, signal line positions, and other relevant data for selected timeframes and pairs into one view, using color coding or visual signals to indicate whether MACD line is above or below signal line. As we can see on the chart, below the main chart is a separate window displaying a histogram. Green histogram represents bullish momentum. And if you notice, the orange line, which is the MACD line, is above the blue line, which is the signal line, displaying bullish momentum. You can also see the bullish divergence on the main price chart over here, while negative histogram with this blue signal line above the MACD line displays bearish momentum. Any change in that represents a reversal in trend. The dashboard provides efficiency in monitoring multiple pairs, allowing traders to spot opportunities and trends across different assets simultaneously without constantly switching between charts. And why you have to pay to get access to the dashboard, the indicator is already pretty useful with its basic function. Real-time alerts can also be set up to notify traders immediately when MACD crosses above or below signal line or when divergence occurs, allowing prompt action when potential trade setups appear. Now if you come to the settings, you can see different parameters: fast EMA period, slow EMA period, signal SMA period, and the second signal SMA period. We also have the visuals and the alerts. Who is it for? The indicator is suitable for multi-market traders, scalpers, day traders, swing traders, and efficiency-focused traders. Its strengths include efficiency, simplified decision-making, increased accuracy, real-time alerts, and time saving. However, ensure proper customization, matching trading style, and do not over-rely on the dashboard. You also require other forms of analysis and avoid information overload by focusing on most relevant pairs and timeframes. You can download the MACD dashboard for MT4 using the link in the description below. Its overview from the Forex Geek highlights how consolidating MACD data from multiple timeframes and pairs into a single interface streamlines analysis and improves efficiency. If you like multi-market monitoring tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.